welcome to another Life as Kikay vlog. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you along with me as I go on one of my first photo shoots. My brother is a budding photographer here in our town. He needed a bit of practice. I needed a bit of nice photos for my Instagram that weren't selfies, and so it was a perfect opportunity for the both of us to help each other out. And so I'm going to be vlogging the whole process, giving my brother a little bit of a plug here on social media. So if you want to come along with me on this photo shoot, then just keep on watching. This angle right now is a little bit casual, and well, it's a lot of bit casual. I've got a freaking towel on my head. Tonight's photo shoot was a little bit of an impromptu one. We did have one booked for tomorrow morning, but he sent me a message tonight and he said he wanted a little bit of practice tonight for his photo shoot. So I'm gonna put on a little bit of makeup so that I don't have shitty looking photos. So I'm gonna slap on a little bit of makeup. He asked me to do a bit of a smoky eye, so I am going to do a little bit of a smoky eye. My idea of a smoky eye is probably a very different interpretation of his smoky eye. So I'm just gonna go a little bit heavy with a bit of the neutral browns, the darker browns in the Juvia's Place Nubian eyeshadow palette. Put a bit of shimmer on the eyelid and that'll probably suffice for a smoky eye. So yeah, I'm just gonna speed through putting on my makeup for this photo shoot, then I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I wanted to use a bit of the Scott Bars technique of contour and highlight before going in with my foundation. In hindsight, I should have probably gone in with my eyes first because I am doing a smoky eye, but because I'm not using any black eyeshadows, I should be fine. But just to be safe that I don't get any fallout on my foundation base, I'm just gonna go in heavy with the powder under the eyes, I reckon. Let's see how I go with a very quick smoky eye, because I'm meant to be at his place in about half an hour, so wish me luck. Alright, he asked me to do smoky eye, he's getting smoky eye. This isn't really eyeliner, it's a lippy pencil, but oh well, this'll do. Alright, eyeliner and mascara, and I should be good. Okay, so I think this photo shoot's gonna be in like 2 parts. So tonight he just wanted to do a bit of practice, and it'll be a good chance for me to practice how to pose as well. And then tomorrow we're gonna do another photo shoot, probably one outfit at his house with a proper backdrop and lights. And then after that we're gonna go out and choose a location in town. So I thought that'd be a bit of fun. I've got to figure out what outfits I'm going to wear, but I want to wear something a little bit casual and something that a vlogger would wear. What would a vlogger wear? What would a YouTuber wear in a photo shoot? Like, I don't even know. This is gonna be a whole new different type of territory for me, but you know what? It'll be a good bit of practice both for me and for my brother. And yeah, more professional looking photos from my Instagram wouldn't go astray either. Alright, that'll do. Let's get this hair dried and I shall be on my way. You know what they say, the bigger the hoop, the bigger the... Let's go!
A few moments later.
Oh, this, I'm still eating.
Hello. Look at you.
Olay.
What are you eating? That smells amazing. Did you go to Mum specifically just to get food? Wow! This looks really good. Have you got like a monitor you can see your photos coming out on?
Why don't I think of that before?
What?
Just up in the ISO section. Do I understand?
Yeah, dude.
Hang on. I'm a photographer. Follow me at Dropping Santos Photography and get some shoots going.
I'm probably gonna get demonetized in this video. Guys, I'll be back here at 10 o'clock a.m. tomorrow morning for another photo shoot.
I'll be vlogging that as well.
Good morning, everybody. It is day 2 of this vlog. I'm going on another photo shoot with my brother this morning. Last night was a practice run, and today we are doing another practice run, but also we are going out on a location which I have not yet chosen. I've got to think about that on the way there, but for now I'm going to get some makeup on my face, and yeah, well, I'll take you along with me. I'm not going to show you the whole process of makeup on my face because y'all have seen that 100 times. I was choosing an outfit this morning. It is so bloody difficult to try and find an outfit that I feel good in, you know? Anyway, let's get some makeup on my face. And I think I'm done. Check out the mess though. The other outfit I'm thinking of bringing along is this springy type of dress. I think it's really cute, and I think it'll probably go well with the eyeshadow look that I've done today. I've tried to keep my eyeshadow look a little bit neutral, but it's more of a brown neutral. Anyway, oh well, it's done now. I wanted to do a little bit of this springy type of dress, and then maybe a pencil cut skirt and the blue singlet top. But I don't know, we'll see how we go, we'll see how I feel. It's such a beautiful day. The sun is shining, the sky is blue. It's gonna be gorgeous today. So we're gonna do a bit of a shoot here at the park. Where are we going, Jotham? Lead the way.
Sure. Whatever you want, really.
You wanted some sunlight.
There?
Near the trees,
Yeah,
bushes.
in front of the rock.
Yeah.
And then we can go down where the art gallery is.
Yeah.
Like there.
Yeah. Let's start over here.
Do on this side. Get the nice playing that.
Yeah. Just here.
Those benches.
Yeah. Come on! He really doesn't want to be in the video. Come on, just film the outro with me. All you gotta do is stand there. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. As usual. You're so awkward. Give my photographer brother a thumbs up and chuck him a follow on Instagram. Again, Jonathan Santos Photography. I'm gonna leave the finished product photos right here on the screen. You'll see what an amazing job that he's done with editing them and me posing, of course, because I'm a model. Okay, that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe before you leave, and ring the notification bell because I put out 2 videos every single week. You can also follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All of them are life as Kikay. Chuck this guy a follow, Jonathan Santos Photography, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye.
Hello. Hey. Romeo, are you coming home with me? Yeah? Romeo. Hey, buddy. Romeo. Hello. Okay, so I just got home and I may have spent just a little bit too much money at Target, Tempt, and Famous Footwear. So stay tuned for a clothing haul soon-ish coming here on my channel. I've got Romeo here with me because I needed to cat sit for a little bit because my brother has a house inspection later on today. So I offered to look after Romeo for a little bit. Hey, buddy. This isn't your usual home, is it? Alright, thanks guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for a clothing haul, clothing and shoes. Anyway, I hope I don't start sneezing with a cat because I'm actually allergic to cats. So hopefully I don't get hay fever. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Peace out!